Hey everyone, welcome to the Mac Life channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace is not available for you. So let's get started. So now here we are, and I will be breaking this down into very simple steps, so just follow along. So step 1 would be to verify if your account is eligible by meeting Facebook's age and location requirements. So first is the age. So you need to be 18 years old or older, and the location must be in a place where Facebook Marketplace is available, because not all location has a Facebook Marketplace available. So you would need to be very specific on that. And then if you are having trouble with your Facebook age, you have set it wrong, maybe it's underage for your account, then to fix that, all you have to do is tap on the menu button on the bottom right. And now from here, tap on settings and privacy right here, and then tap on settings. And then now you would need to tap on account setter and then tap on personal details. And from here, you can see your birthday. So basically, you just simply want to edit this into 18 years old or older. And then once you've done this, and see if the problem is fixed. If not, then we can proceed to step number 2, which is to simply update your Facebook app to ensure that you have all the latest features available on your app. So simply go into your App Store if you're in iOS, and Play Store if you're in Android. In my case, I'm in my iOS right here. So ensure that you don't have the update button. If you do have one, then just simply tap on it to update your app. And then next is step number 3. So confirm that your Facebook profile complies with community standards and is not restricted, because chances are the reason you are not seeing Facebook Marketplace or it's not available for you is because you have violated the guidelines or standards of Facebook itself, specifically in the marketplace. And that's the reason why you are restricted and you are not seeing Facebook Marketplace. So the fix for this one would be in the last step. So stick around so that you'd be able to know the solution. And then step number 4, switch to a different device or web browser to test if the issue is device specific. So if it's device specific, all you have to do is basically uninstall and reinstall your app if you're using it in a smartphone, or if you're in a PC, just simply change your web browser and see if that's the fix. Because if not, then it's an account specific problem, which means we can solve that on step number 5. So now step number 5, report the problem to Facebook using the help and support section for further assistance. So to do that, it's very simple. All you have to do is go here into your app, tap on the menu button on the bottom right. From here, tap on help and support section right here and tap on report problem. And now tap on continue to report, tap on include, and then from here, simply choose marketplace right here. And from here, just simply write what's wrong. So basically what's wrong is that we are not seeing Facebook Marketplace. So for example, I don't have the marketplace feature. And then you can also state what the reason is for this one right here. So if you have an idea on what is causing this, then you can just state it right here. If not, then basically you can just provide your information like your age, your location, your email maybe, and then some other helpful information to help the Facebook support be able to provide solution to your problem. So it would also help them if you could take a screenshot. So tap on take screenshot, and then you can just go here on your menu and then just screenshot this, that you are not having the marketplace option right here. So tap on take screenshot, and then it will now be included just like so. So yeah, this is basically it. And then after that, tap on the send button so that you would now be able to send this to the Facebook support, and then they would be able to give you a specific solution for your problem. And yeah, that is basically it on how to fix it. And a bonus tip, if you are looking for a ready-to-go Facebook Marketplace accounts for you to sell on, you can check the link in the description. We have an exclusive offer for you. Thank you for watching.